Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
Hello good people. Welcome back to Shifting News. Thank you for the continued support. This is part 2 video showing the aerial views of the dwelling project of Nairobi Eastern Bypass. This highway is part of a wider master plan for the city's ring road network. The Eastern Bypass connects Mombasa Road with Thika Superhighway, which is part of the Great North Road, which stretches from Cairo, Egypt to Cape Town in South Africa. Be sure to watch this video until the end. Remember to like and comment. If you are visiting us for the first time, take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive all notifications of our new uploads. We start our coverage from the Kiriri area as we head towards Thika Superhighway and the Ruiru area. You can easily see the area is forested and the green cover is so welcoming. The dwelling project of Nairobi Eastern Bypass is a major infrastructure project in Nairobi, Kenya. The China Communication Construction Company, which was selected to carry out the project, has been contracted to undertake the work. It is estimated the entire project will cost 12.5 billion Kenya shillings. In the last decade, the population of Nairobi has doubled and continues to grow at a rapid pace. This rapid growth has put a lot of pressure on the city's infrastructure, including roads, and as a result, congestion on the key roads has become unmanageable. The dwelling of Nairobi Eastern Bypass is a project that has been in progress from late 2021. It is aimed at reducing traffic congestion and travel time on this highway by providing an alternative route to the congested town for those trying to access the JKIA from Thika Superhighway and those living in such areas like Utawala, Ruai, Kamakis, and Membley Estate. The new dual carriageway is expected to ease traffic congestion and will also support the construction of the new Northlands City. This planned community will span the Eastern Bypass and Thika Superhighway and include industrial, commercial, and residential units. Once completed, the city will house an estimated 250,000 people. The new road will facilitate easy access and reduce traffic congestion throughout this region. It is expected to add at least 30,000 vehicles daily, which will ease traffic jams and allow people to get to work and study without having to travel long distances. The expansion will improve access to the city center, benefiting those who work there, but affecting those living in nearby towns and villages. The project will raise the price of land and rent. In Ruiru and Kangundo, residents will soon see an increase in rent and land prices. Real estate companies will be lining up for a piece of the golden land. The Eastern Bypass will be a boon to businesses in the area. It will speed up the movement of goods and commuters. Traders will also benefit from the bypass road. In addition to easing congestion and increasing businesses for the city, this new road will also make it easier to move perishable goods. It will increase road safety and boost urban mobility. The bypass will also mean shorter delivery times for these businesses, resulting in lower costs. This is a win-win situation for everyone. While moving along this road, you can see several businesses, buildings, and other structures.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
At the Kamakis area, you notably see the 1.7 lounge, ultimate venue to chill, catch up with friends, and watch your favorite sports while enjoying your drink and some tasty finger-licking nyama. At this section, you can easily see some work ongoing on this part as we near Thika Superhighway. was traffic buildup on the dual section as the vehicles were being redirected to avoid the area with ongoing construction activities. From afar, we can see the national pride and legacy left behind by the late former president, Mwai Kibaki. Wait until you see how magnificent this interchange at this place is. Wow! The Thika Superhighway is a dual carriageway with 6 lanes at this place. And the views, we can't find a better word to describe.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
And this is the section where the Eastern Bypass crosses the railway line. We are now heading to Membley section, an estate with wonderful residential apartments. What is your general feel about the dualling of this Eastern Bypass? Please share your views in the comment section below. Click the link in the description to watch part 1 of the video if you haven't done so. Remember to like this video, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive all updates once you upload a new video. See you in our next video.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.